Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. Today we're going to prepare chickpea salad with tuna using our regular oregano dressing. This is a take on the famous Niçoise salad. But instead of potatoes, I'm going to use chickpeas. Okay. Start with some chickpeas. Line the plate with some tomatoes. We're going to put a slice of egg on each tomato. I have one small can of tuna. I'll put as much as I can. Add some olives. And some onions. And we add some of our oregano dressing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this good looking tuna salad with chickpeas. I would like to hear your comments and please subscribe.